Sanibonani. Mawufuna ungabi nambane for 3 days uhlala eJozi. Votela uANC. Mawufuna ungabi namanzi for 3 days or 4 days useJozi. Ngiyaphinda. Votela uKhongolose. Mawufuna ukuvuthela umlilo imini yonke ubase phandle useJozi. Amabhodo wakho abeso. Votela iAfrican National Congress.
Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothandeni esikhombise lona lingaphezulu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukucomment, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Evikini adlula amaphepha lawa ngesonto angisakhumbuli kahle noma iSunday World noma iSunday Times yasikhombisa ivideo lapho khona kwakuprintwa izikipa ezazibhalwe PM27 savumelana. Ababakhipha ivideo base beyasazisa ukuthi le zikipa lezi ngezikababa uPatrice Motsepe nabantu azobe campaigna nabo ngoba ngathi uneyinhloso zokuba ngupresident weANC. Ngethe mina kungenzeka na ukuthi uthola ukuthi izikipa lezi akuzona ezikababa uPatrice Motsepe kodwa ezikaPaul Mashatile ngoba naye uPM just nje badidisa thina ukuthi singaboni. Kungenzeka na ufikile Mbalula bambuzile ngalolu daba ngoba waphawula ngalo lolo suku lolo. Uthe mayehleli noSamkele Maseko wayese ephawula ngalolu daba. Ekuphawuleni kwakhe wakhuluma kanje.
Enough time to debate after the election. 2017, the whole year, we'll be talking candidates and all of that. And there will also be a clear process.
Have you engaged Dr. Patrice Motsepe on this?
I don't have to engage him. I will deal with the matter as per mandate given to me with those who are perpetuating that. Because I don't know where does that come from. If he's a member of the ANC, he will know that there is an order in the organization right now that matters of that nature will come. Nothing withstanding the fact that if people want him to become president of the ANC for whatever reasons and is a member of the ANC, because anyone can stand to become anything, that moment will come. Why should we be busy with that now? Because he should be pumping money into supporting the organization to win local government elections if he loved the ANC. And that is what we are about. And I can't be chasing ghosts, because when I get to him, he's going to say, where did I say I'm standing? Because that moment is coming. He will pronounce himself and say that I'm standing as president of the ANC and I'm asking for your support and for the following reasons. I want to be president of the ANC and I'm a member in good standing. Here is my branch. So that moment will come. So members of the ANC in the country understand that perfectly. And I'm observing this tendency that is coming up with PM27 right at the beginning of 20. It was running on social media, on WhatsApps. Now it wants to engulf us and so on. We will deal with it accordingly in terms of the ANC party discipline.
Ubeka kwacaca kuMbakisi ukuthi isikhathi sokukhuluma leyo daba le succession nomuntu okungenzeka abe upresident weANC ngo2027 sizoba khona ngonyaka ozayo ngawo 2027. Kodwa kwamanje uDr Patrice Motsepe into efana ngabe yayenza afana ngabe uphampa imali bezokwazi ukulungisela ama local government elections. Phela sizokhumbula ukuthi ANC inenkinga zezimali kulezi insuku. Baze bathi abanye ifanele ukuba nenkinga zezimali ngoba abantu abebeyixhasa, abantu abebeyifanda abanjengo Vosmos Matlala, Katiso Mlefe, Suleiman Karim babhekane nezinsolo. Ngakho ke abakwazi ukuthi bafande iANC ngoba kuzobonakala. Sizokhumbula ukuthi kuye kwavela abasebenzi beANC bekhala ukuthi abakhokhelwanga ngesikhathi. Yingakho kufikile Mbalula ethi into engabuya yenza nje uDr Patrice Motsepe ukufaka imali. Ukufaka nje imali kodwa nje uzodila nabo bonke abantu. Naye futhi uDr Patrice Motsepe uzodila naye. Kungenzeka ukuthi ufikile Mbalula nayo uyafuna ukuba i-candidate. Izobe i-compete for ukuba upresident we-ANC. Uma ke amavote ehambe ngendlela abafisa ngayo abe upresident we-country. Mhlambe ezinye zezinto asifisa manje mayibheka ayi-competition izoba nzima kulula ukuthi awine uma ngase kuthiwa ngempela uDr Patrice Motsepe naye unalezo nhloso zokuba upresident. uPrince Mashele wasitshela ukuthi uDr Patrice Motsepe njengoba efuna ukuba president iplan kaRamaphosa ngoba ufuna umuntu ozongena abe successor avikele yena. Ngakho akafuni umuntu ozongena lapha kanti akazwene naye. Ushuthi lento eyenziwa uyo uRamaphosa akafuni umuntu ozongena ayenze kuye. Uma uphambene noRamaphosa bazothi bathatha izondo commission report babheka ukuthi awekho ama allegations na uvukelwa amacala. Kodwa Moses sayidini lakhe awakuvukela amacala. Ukwenzela nje umzekelo uGigabyte wakhuluma ngokuthengwa kwabantu nokuthengwa kwamavoti ngesikhathi kuza iCRC lo ngesikhathi seconference yango 2017. Emveni kokuba ekhulume kanjalo uvukelwa amacala. Usecourt ngikhuluma nawe nje ube secourt kule nsuku ezedlule. Uvukelwa amacala. Kodwa sinomama onomvula nonkonyane nabo Gwede Mantashe nabo aba implicated kwizondo commission kodwa awavuka amacala ngoba bakwifaction kaRamaphosa. Uthola ithuba lokuthi ayisebenzise kahle lezondo commission report. Ngicela ukucaphunela ivideo eshow CIC ngesikhathi ekhuluma nabezindaba mayelana nalo lolu daba. Isizathu senza ukuthi ngimcaphune uCIC yize engekho ANC ukuthi ukhulele khona. Izinto eziningi ezenza ku-ANC uzazi njengoba ezazi ngicela uzwe la.
Compared to the power hungry that we see around the ANC, Paul makes a sober candidate. Sober in a sense that if they were to go into a coalition with the progressives, is the kind of a guy who will be willing to listen and engage other partners. Not that he will make the ANC win elections. They won't win the elections. They're not good. I said to you, where ANC loses, never regains. The ANC lost the metros in 2016. And then from there, it has been going like this. They don't regain. It has been going down. So I don't be threatened by rhetoric that claims. They lost elections to 40% now, with Mbalula being the SG. They could not fill up a stadium of 20,000 people with Mbalula being an SG. Now, this year. So how is he going to rescue it? If anything, Northwest is an indicator of what's going to happen. How do you not get 20,000 people? 20. You can even procure 20,000 people. With the money these people have. So it has failed, that thing. Completely out. Patrice Motsepe is a candidate for Cyril. Cyril's people are supporting Patrice. And Patrice's candidate for SG is Ntuli, the chief whip. Mdumseni Ntuli. So I'm bringing Mdumseni Ntuli so that I make your job easy, because I know you can be living here trying to think, what is he talking about now? Mdumseni Ntuli was a candidate for SG for Cyril at the last conference. And Mbalula won against them. He was a candidate against Mbalula. A candidate for Cyril. So Cyril's lineup was Oscar Mabuyane as deputy president and Mdumseni Ntuli as SG. Now, Oscar says he wants to come back. He's going to come back on that lineup of Patrice Motsepe as deputy. And Mdumseni Ntuli will be the Secretary General. And if they lose this conference in 2027, they are going to form a new party, the Patrice Group. That's what is going to happen. So this coalition, you must just be taking exercises for it. You must be ready. It looks like fragmentation is going to happen for a very long time, and we are going to be having to negotiate with all different kinds of political parties.
Anginalwazi kahle kodwa ngithanda ukuyikholwa lento esho CIC. Ngibona indlela uChief Whip ubaba uMdumiseni Ntuli adefende ngayo uma kuthiwa upresident uCyril Ramaphosa akezophendula kwiCommission. Hayi ngendlela adefende ngayo wabona ukuthi akafuni lutho. Ngoba uyazi ukuthi ama-members of parliament azombuza imibuzo lapha xa kanti akafuna abe negama elibi. Ngakho-ke uma uzwa kuthiwa labantu laba bahamba no Dr. Patrice Motsepe abanjengoba uMdumiseni Ntuli balapha ngoba beyifaction kaRamaphosa, uyabona indlela ababehave ngayo. Uyayibona indlela ababehave ngayo. Oh okay. Ingakho bemvikela ngalendlela. Ingakho nje anginalwazi kodwa uma ngicabanga indlela amdefende ngayo yenza ngibone ukuthi ngathi uCIC uqinisile. UCIC khona indaba ezanayo ukuthi nje yithi esingayazi. Kodwa ngathi yena uqinisile. Kodwa ke angeke siphawule kakhulu odabeni esingalwazi kahle. Angiyibambe le video. Cela ukuze uphawula kakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, comment, ushare, ulike. Ngiyabonga.